Hello gamers, want to add money to Fire Kirin? Here's how to do it safely and easily. First, open Fire Kirin app and log into your account. Now, look at the top of the screen, you can see the option to buy coins. Tap on buy coins. Here you will see various options. Tap on the one you prefer. Now, choose your preferred method, credit or debit card. Enter your details and confirm payment. Always double check that you are using an official Fire Kirin payment method to avoid scams. Once payment is processed, your funds will appear in your balance and you are ready to play. What's your favorite Fire Kirin game? Drop your answer in the comments below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.